Fellas. Fellas. Hi. Hello. Hello. Let's go, JBL. Let's go, guys. So far, our bias was right. We were right. It's just took a little bit longer than anticipated to go up to those highs. But we have a PM session. Those highs are still in play. And I think we can bang out a nice trade. Let me just at everyone live now. YT. Gonna go on the TikTok stream. You know the deal, guys. You know how we do it. Let's run it. 3, 2, 1. Shebang. Welcome, everybody, to another stream. Another day. Another everything. Another profit. Let's run it. I found Ben's OnlyFans. Okay, brother. Listen, we had the right everything. It just did not have the volume to go up to buy side. We had the right everything. It just did not have the right volume to go up to buy side. And that's fine. That's fine. You're still right. That's all that matters. Meta up 5.47%, bro. Oh my gosh. Cash out on that, baby. Guys, we're live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Everyone, we're live on TikTok. Go join the TikTok stream to see the other POV. Other than that, let's run it. Let's do a quick analysis on the PM session and see what we're going for. Well, obviously, I think it's pretty obvious, but our target has not been hit yet, so that's what we're aiming for. Now, in terms of intermediate time frame PD rate, we are in one right now. In terms of the 5-minute, not the greatest reaction on it rebalancing to the sell side. So what I would ideally want to look for is price action to do some sort of turtle soup below this low, then turn up higher. So we'll see. Right? Hasn't traded into that inversion. We can trade that inversion for fair value gap there. 4 hour looks bullish. Everything looks bullish. Looks like we could easily trade up to this inefficiency on that 4 hour chart. But on terms of an entry, we don't really have that right now. Now let's check at gold, because gold was, oh my gosh, this thing is flying. It's almost at $5,000 an ounce. Isn't that insane? It's actually crazy, bro. Gold is insane. Anyways, gold is completely ripping with no remorse to the upside right now. It's an extreme premium. I say we don't engage into it. Wow. Crazy sell-off there. What's NQ doing? NQ is also falling here. We're getting a little bit of a rebalance to the downside, which is great. It's giving us that opportunity of manipulation so we can find something to the upside. Let's run it. Unless you're a real rancher. Facts, brother. Where's the helmet? Not on me today. Guys, live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Thank you, Camelot. Welcome to another stream, fellas. PM session. Let's bang out a win here. I know ES took the high, but that don't matter. That don't matter for me, because my bias is even higher than that. I'm not going to anticipate we're going to reverse. Just because we take a high doesn't mean we're going to, you know, reverse off of it. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Yeah, it looks like we can catch something nice here. A little fair value gap play here. We'll see. A little displacement there, so I want to see that break in. They already brought up the helmet. I know, bro. I can't catch a break in here. Just got stopped out for a W. Let's go, brother. Guys, live on YT. Benjamin SMT on YT. AM session. Listen, guys, sometimes the days are going to be like this. It's going to be high resistance liquidity run. And we had the right bias, the right narrative, the right everything. And the trade broke even because of this slow price action. And sometimes that's the reality of trading. And sometimes you just have to let that fly. Sometimes you just have to let that fly, chat. Let it be. Let it go. Let it go. Get out! Anyways, let's ball out on PM session today. How was everyone's AM session? How was everyone's AM session? One second, chat. One second, chat. What did I just do? Okay. Should be Gucci here. Up 18K in the AM. Let's go, brother. Your apartment hunting. Nice, brother. Accidentally did minis instead of micros, so my eval's cooked. Hey, it's all good, brother. We all learn from that. Let's run it, chat. Guys, we're live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YouTube. Show the haircut? Fuck no. But I love this rebalance that we're getting here, chat. Beautiful rebalance. You look at gold. Gold is just going to continue to rip in all-time highs. It's absolutely beautiful. But NQ's catching my eye right now because it still has not taken its draw. And it's messing around a little bit here. So give it a little bit of time. London lows. Brother, I don't think... Like, in all due respects, I don't think we're going to London lows in the PM session today. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Just got to be patient, guys. Patience is a prerequisite to success. You all know that. You all already know that. Just logging into my trade of 8. 1 second, chat. I don't know why I got logged out. Okay. Please help me. I only have $500 in drawdown. What am I supposed to do? Fucking... The fuck? Respectfully. What am I supposed to do for that? Even if I give you call outs, you need risk management, you need proper psychology, you need discipline. Very simple, chat. We wait for a price action to move a little bit lower, break structure to the upside, and target these equal highs and take partials at these equal highs. That's simple. Now we wait for that narrative to play out, and if it does, we catch our trade. If it doesn't, we walk away. Guys, live on YouTube, on YT. Just got to be patient. Trade tomorrow? I'm not, brother. I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm gonna be in an airplane. Boom, boom. I'm gonna be in an airplane, chat. From like 8 a.m. to like 4:30 p.m. I'm gonna be all in the air. So, yeah. Did I get a new camera? I did, chat. I did get a new camera. Look at this. Look at this. Is it cleaner? Is it more crisp? Kidding. It's crisp. Just gotta be patient, chat. Just gotta be patient. Camera, you're brother. It's more clear. Let's go. Wait, I'm almost done. Okay. We have a beautiful expansion here. I want to see a fair value gap here, and then we can potentially get into a long. We love that little bit of manipulation there. That soup's that low. Ooh, turtle soup. Wait, chat. I'm going to take this. Where's my calculator? I didn't even see that turtle soup. Wait. 14. All right. Taking this turtle soup, chat. Just cut leverage here. 5-minute inefficiency. We're going to anticipate that it's soup that internal range low. It's going for the high. I feel like this would be the only opportunity to get an entry here today for PM session would be a turtle soup. So I feel like if it's going to rip, it's going to rip without any chance on filling. So I'm going to draw this out. I'm going to tell you guys how to mark out turtle soups. Price action could go all the way to consequent encroachment of the wick. Failure swings are very common in turtle soup. So when you're taking a turtle soup entry, when you are taking a turtle soup entry, is this? Oh, we're good. When you're taking a turtle soup entry, price action can rebalance a consequent encroachment of the wick. Anything in this area should not get touched from here and downward. So that is trap sellers. Price action should not go down there. There's no point in going down there. If it goes down there, it validates the reason of the trade. Anywhere here, price action can go to and rebalance. Ideally, the best probability turtle soups rip up without rebalancing the wick that took sell side liquidity. Turtle soups are internal range liquidity sweeps targeting external range liquidity. If you still have your draw in play and price action manipulates lower and takes a form of liquidity and uses a wick to take it, manipulates back up higher, starts trading up higher, and most likely that's going to be a turtle soup. The best time to find turtle soups are usually in the PM session when price action isn't that volatile and price action has already been following a trend for the day. When that trend gets a decorrelation and takes some sort of internal range liquidity, what you want to wait for your trade is you want to see a reaction in price action. See how this candle broke that low and then bodied up here and the rest of the candles turned bullish and started broke structure to the upside. That's exactly why I got into the trade. I didn't even see that we took that low and I was like, oh wait, that's a turtle soup. I'm going to get in there. Okay. So right now what I'm looking at is once we break this high, my stop loss instantly is going to be either drag to break even depending on how price action is moving, or this right here. The low of the open of the candle that turtle soup this low. Other than that, you should not be dragging your stop loss anywhere past this, no matter what, until you get to the point where you can accept that price action already took a form of liquidity and it could reverse. But while it's in this range, price action can easily go like this. Do not drag your stop loss because failure swings are very common with turtle soups. Now, the highest probability turtle soups don't have failure swings, but don't drag your stop loss prematurely. Guys, I'm live on YouTube, Benjamin SMC on YT. You want to watch my stream, search on Benjamin SMC on YT. This morning we had the third largest stream on YouTube for trading. Am I trading Asian session? Nope. I got to get ready for my vacation. Can this guy stop inviting me to co-host? Like, no, I'm not co-hosting with you. Stop. Live on YT, guys. So far, it's a decent reaction. I'm not loving the resistance that it's getting in that inefficiency. I do like how the body is deeper into that fair value gap. I think that's consequent encroachment, though. Remember, we can get those failure swings. Relax. It bodied just a little bit above consequent encroachment there. So we have the 5-minute candle just opened. So it's an open, low, high close. So this little manipulation at the beginning is actually more confidence that this trade is going to win for me. Right? T3 Johnson says, you are literally proving right now that you have no idea what a real turtle soup is. And why is that? So what is a turtle soup? if it's not an internal range liquidity sweep targeting external range liquidity, what's a turtle soup then, brother? Tell me, teach me. I want to know. I want to know from T3 Johnson 5. Waiting for that one to be inverse. Nice. Ben, I love watching your streams, even though you trade different things. Wait, why is my chat cut off? I can't read it. Different things in you? Boiled turtles with veggies? Is that what turtle soup is? Yeah. Lava YT, guys. Benjamin doesn't see no YT. No, a turtle soup is an internal range liquidity sweep following trend. When price action goes against trend and takes it, there's two types of turtle soups. There's the actual low, like a bottom, and then there's during trend. When price action goes against trends and take a form of internal range liquidity that goes against your higher time frame target, that is a turtle soup. T3 Johnson says, you'll understand one day, lil bro. To be honest, you have around 10% win rate from what I've seen. Can we get an L rage bait in the chat for T3 Johnson, guys? Can we get an L rage bait in the chat? Where am I going on vacation? I booked a presidential suite in the in Punta Cana, brother, at the St. Regis. Oof. See how I rebalanced here? Failure swings are very common with turtle soups. W vacation. W rage bait. Anyone see J Dunn throwing straight hate on ICT? I don't know. People can have their own opinions. That doesn't matter. Leave the door unlocked. I'll be waiting for you, brother. Pause. You booked the dictator suite? What the fuck is that? The fuck is the dictator suite? Guys, live on YT, Benjamin SMC, YT. But guys, let's see if we can close out for a 7-day winning streak, chat. If we win this trade, we will make back like the small break even that we had earlier. As you can see, it was a break even, but it was just a little bit under. So we lost about 120 bucks there. So if we can make over 120 bucks, we will have, I won't count it as a winning day if it's just 100 bucks, but if we win this trade, we will have 7 winning days in a row. In a row, chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. So far, it's a decent reaction. I'm not loving how it's not having that displacement to the upside, but eh. At 10 a.m. What are you talking about? What are you talking about at 10 a.m.? What are you talking about? ANXU. ANXU. Opinions on gold all-time highs? It's crazy. It's crazy that we're witnessing $5,000 an ounce gold right now. I think it's pretty wild. Not really loving the reaction on this trade, chat. Not really loving it. Hopefully we don't end our winning streak today on the last day of the week for me trading. That'd be a shame. That'd be a shame. But hey, still six-day winning streak is lovely. I can't get my head around the Apex trailing drawdown. Is it only for eval? It's for everything, but what you just need to do is you can't let a trade that's resting in like you enter key and it goes all the way up here. You can't just let it go back to break even. Like you have to scale out of the trade. It's actually helpful that they have that rule. It helps you learn how to manage your trading properly. Great financial reset coming. I just think it's a new world order. I just think it's like, it's going to be a new dominant country. Guys, live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. It's all good, brother. It happens to the best of us, Loomsy. Listen, I think one of the biggest countries in the future, and this isn't a biased opinion, is going to be Canada. Canada's teaming up with China and all these people, and the natural resources Canada has, if they start to utilize it the way that all the other countries are, brother, 100 years, going to be crazy. You guys think, oh, it has an overpopulation problem? That's because we only build in 20% of our land. You know what I mean? It sounds like crazy, but just watch. Watch. In 50 to 100 years, a lot of things can change. Brother, you know we're one of the richest countries in the world for minerals, but we don't use it because we have a treaty. No, in 50 years, Carney's not going to be alive. I'm not talking about right now, guys. Right now, it's different. Right now, it's different. Canada don't even get the sun. Consistency rule means you can't over leverage and gamble on your trades. Search it. Ask ChatGPT. It'll break it down for you. Patience is everything. Beautiful reaction. Beautiful reaction there, chat. Absolutely lovely. Lovely. So you're looking at price action and you see it's in that 5-minute inefficiency. Someone's just joining the stream now and think I talk like that. And you're like, oh, it's respecting consequent approach. Look at the higher time frame. It's doing the same on that 15-minute, and it's been following trend, and we still have the buy side liquidity there. So I'd rather bet on the upside than the downside right here, especially after a little move down already. Plus, my stop loss should be pretty protected here. So just breathe. A bottle of water. Lovely. Can I go to the Spud Bros and get a potato with tuna on it? In it, brother. Live on YT, guys. Oh, water. You know the rules. Breakfast. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Beautiful reaction to the upside. What I want to see price action do now is, now that it's going to break out of this high, I want it to speed up. I want to see it break this in the next 5 minutes. Brother, Canadian's accent is just being polite. Bro, I went to New York and everyone's so mean there. I thought it was a stereotype, brother. I held the door open for everyone that I was like near, and not a single person said thank you. No one, whenever you share eye contact with someone, they don't smile back at you. They're just like, it's like, bro, breathe a little. Like, fuck. I'm British now and I'm unsubscribing. Bro, New Yorkers are so rude. It's insane. But their accents are hilarious. Like the Bronx accent. Yeah, Drowsy, I do that too. I say, you're welcome when they don't say anything. But then it's like, that's instigating and you don't know what's going to happen in the States. Patience is everything, guys. Live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT, guys. Bro, please approve me on clips. I don't run it, brother. A manager does. What rules get canceled by using code Ben? So in the evaluation, if you use code Ben, it gets rid of the consistency rule. So you can pass in one trade and in one day. It also gives you 80% off, but it ends tonight at 11:59. So stock up on, you can get up to 20 accounts with it. So $300,000 fund accounts, which are originally $500, are only like $50. Let's get a reaction here, guys. I'm not loving this consolidation, but you just, it's respecting bullish order flow. So just give it time. It's going to rip up in due time. Chat, I need to go buy clothes for Miami and Punta Cana today. What do I do? What do I do? I was thinking on getting a Goyard bag and like some nice shades. What do I go for? What brand of clothes do I go for? What's the Miami, the Florida type of style? Goodwill? Okay, brother. Lacoste. Polo. A Hawaiian shirt. Low key. But I'm talking like, guys, hit up your deal. Give me some expensive ones, brother. Laura Piana. That's more hot. Like, that's more fall weather. Yeah, we'll see. Patience, patience, and another word of patience, guys. So let the trade play out. Give it some breathing room. It's reaccumulating. Just chill. It's souped out low. That is the base foundation low. Price should not go back down there. It's going to go to these equal highs here, chat. It's going to go to those equal highs. Breathe. Just breathe. Quarter zip. Brother, it's going to be so hot. What are you talking about? Gucci flip-flops. Okay. Yeah, I was already gonna get Goyard. Patience is absolutely everything, chat. Let this trade marinate. You're marinate. Live on YT, guys. I've been day trading for 6 years. Brother, I'm going to an event with a bunch of other traders. Like I'm gonna buy some nice clothes. A Prada thong. Okay, get this guy out of chat. Kidding. Should I add more cons? No, do not add more contracts. This is like a lower risk trade. Somebody needs to clip that one time you said happy ending. Okay. Hermes. We're break even today. We're break even today. And right now we're consolidating out my break even level. But we could get a rip up here. We'll have a new 5-minute candle shortly. It's a very tight consolidation though. Which means when it rips up, it's going to go crazy. It's your trades. I'm live on YouTube. Right now, I have the biggest PM stream on YouTube right now. I'm sad I have to sit this one out. It's all good, brother. Fortnite merch, brother. That would do wonders. Louis Vuitton G-string. Yo, you're actually jokes, bro. Right now it's a tight consolidation, but when we rip up higher, it's going to be a beautiful reaction. Okay, this is accumulation of order, so we're literally accumulating volatility that when we rip up higher, we're just going to rip to this TP. You know, if you're watching my TikTok stream, you can tell I have ADHD. I'm playing with a pair of pliers, I think. Huge 15-minute buy signal. I know. It's that 15-minute fair value gap reaction. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, we're going to rip up in the next 4 minutes. I'm telling you. Benjamin, my bank account is currently in debt. Do you think I should stop for today with trading or maybe tomorrow so I don't chase trades? Yes, you should definitely stop. And why are you trading with a bank account in debt, brother? You need to be finding a job and paying for funded accounts. A Louis Vuitton helmet. Okay, brother. You guys in the helmets, man. Your new nickname is Bevo Latte. Okay. Okay, CJ. Like, what? Like, what is this? Bro, what? That's not me. That's not me. Gang, that's not me. Bro. We're just consolidating, guys. Let the trade play out. Be patient. Let the trade move. Hey, Sid Trades and Dot Stuff with the Roses. Thank you, guys. I didn't see it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm live on YouTube. What's up, fellas? You guys are battling with the Roses right now. That's definitely me. It's definitely not me. Beautiful. I need tissues, bro. How do I fit a pencil up your nose? Okay. Guys, this consolidation's killing me, but just trust it. You're going to be fine. It's just boring. Thank you, Sin. Thank you. I can't see the chats because the phone is hiding the chat. I have it on a holder. But thank you, guys. I'm live on YouTube, so I'm not reading chat. Guys, I think we got the #1 PM stream on YouTube right now. Right? Yeah. We got the #1 PM stream, chat. Let's run it. #1 trading PM stream in the world. Type shit. You guys are amazing. Thank you, brother. What's up, Stin? We can unconsolidate. Yeah, just give it time, fellas. Just give it time. Just relax. It depends on this 15-minute closer, right? If this 15-minute candle closes bearish, I'm getting out of this trade. And I'll close the day and accept a break-even day. Unless it's like that. Yeah, see, that's not a good reaction there. Right? It could go up to 50% of that wick, but if it goes past that, that thing is lost cause. Yeah. Might have been on the wrong side of these inefficiencies. It's surprising to me because this is just a 5-minute with no liquidity taken, with no higher time frame PD array, and the 15-minute is beautifully respected. There's an order block where there's price action with equal highs that were engineered, that not taken yet. Price action manipulated. 9 times out of 10, price action is going up here, especially with this trade as well. 9 times out of the 10, this little move back down is not happening, and we're going to continue back up, right? That was break even, but today was just a messy day. I had the lack of volume. I still think this trade is going to win. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. But today was a lack of volume. We had the right everything, but sometimes that's the reality of trading, right? And you can't fight it. You cannot fight it. Sometimes you have to just sit there and be like, okay, it's one of those days where your system will not show up. But the accumulation under midnight open and that reaction was just absolutely beautiful. I was so surprised that it didn't just rip up after this. Just a lack of volume. This shop is killing me. It's all good. It's still respecting that wick, fellas. It could be consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Low power of 3 here. Give it time. Exactly, JBL trades. It could just be manipulating the consolidation. You're exactly right. That's why we did not drag our stop loss. Stop loss placement is so important, chat. Wow. Oh, my chest is hurting. I need to put this. Patience is everything, guys. How old were when I started trading? I was 13. Praying for y'all, man. I know it's gonna blow my narrative, but last week was just range. Hey, brother, it's all good, Drowse. Everything happens for a reason. Bad Toast, I'll respond to you on Discord today. I haven't responded yet. I've been extremely busy yesterday. I had so much to go through because I'm trying to prepare for my trip. I'll still give you your account, don't worry. You just gotta, what is your Discord username? Tell me your Discord username. Yeah, the same username on here, badtoast6545. But it needs to be the exact same, or else I might give it to the wrong person. It's a 50k Tradeify account that you want as well. Give it time, chat. It does look like a little power of 3 here. Shouldn't be retesting a low. It should push up here. Overall, not the greatest price action today, so that is one of the reasons why I scaled down today and I did not risk that much. Worst case scenario, if this trade hits full stop loss, then we won't even lose one regular risk. Like I risk on average before like mid-February, I go back to $1,000 per trade, but on average I risk about $750 for my first initial trade. We will still be under that, but I still think this trade's going to win. This looks like a clear power of 3 with that basing off that turtle soup. Once we get an expansion above those highs, I can drag my stop loss to that low to guarantee at a maximum losing $200. So that would be good. Yeah, it's normal, Ramo. Up $450 across 4 accounts, signing out. Let's go, Tyler. Guys, we're live on YT. #1 stream on YouTube right now. One second, chat. 1 second. How come you started trading at 13? Normally 13-year-olds go playing video games. That's why I'm going to be a billionaire. What is he talking about? Brother, I started my first business when I was 12. It was a power washing business. I don't play games around here. I skipped class to study the markets. I'm not even kidding. Live on YT, guys. Benny, I missed you. I miss you too, brother. Beautiful reaction, chat. Can we get a W in the chat right now? Absolutely beautiful. Let's get a heavy body here. I want it to stay up. I wanted to stay up. That will confirm the trade. That is it. Wait, maybe don't type the W's just yet. Maybe don't type the W's just yet. But with that reaction, I am going to result in a drag stop loss to that low at a minimum of $200 on this trade. So that is a W in the chat. That is a W in the chat. Because we manage risk. And now at most that we lose today is like 350. At most. That's not even half of my cut risk trades. We did amazing today. Regardless of the outcome of today, we did amazing. And that's what you need to do. Put yourself in environments where no matter what happens, you're going to be fine. And that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, that looks nasty. That looks like a nasty reaction. It happens to everyone, Carson. If you're not familiar with them. By the way, guys, 80% off ends tonight with Apex Trader funding. And you can get up to 20 accounts. And if you use code Ben, it gets rid of the consistency rule. But it ends at 11:59 p.m. tonight, chat. Make sure you use code Ben at checkout. Same with the 40% off sale with Tradeify. It's the easiest. It's the best firm to get your first payout. It's the easiest Straight to funding. Code Ben as well. Yeah, terrible reaction there. Let this trade. Let it marinate. Ben, am I Dominican? Nope. I'm Russian. I want a Bible study. I know I got to do more. I look Jamaican. I'm Somalian, brother. Somalian. That's what I am. Just got to be patient, chat. Still in that consolidation. We thought we broke out of it, but we got blue balled, so we got to be patient. But that's okay. That is a-okay, chat. That is absolutely a-okay. Sorry if I'm making the screen pause. I'm just screenshotting stuff really quickly. Patience is everything, guys. Guys, I'm live on YouTube. Benjamin SMC. What's up, Finn? How's it going? Why am I religious? Because I am. I don't think price action is going to stop me out here. I think we're going to get an expansion, and that was a fake short. Like, that was a fake little manipulation. Watch, it's going to rip up, chat. Religious. Straight to funded accounts. The only good straight to funded accounts are Tradeify. Going to be straight up. Facts, Omar. Sword Dylan, is that you? Okay, brother. Yeah, not the greatest reaction that we have here. Ooh, it's a little bit more. All right. How much are we down on the day? 400 buckaroonies, which is 50% of one loss. We did really good with managing risk today. We are going to be closing out the week. We did end our 6-day winning streak, chat. I know. I want the 10-day. I want the 10-day winning streak so badly, but it has to be another time. Break even and a cut risk loss that we dragged our stop loss with. Great risk management, chat. The 6-day winning streak is over, and I'm wrapping up the week. I will not be streaming tomorrow. I will be on a plane, guys. Tomorrow, I will not be streaming, okay? I will not be streaming. I will be on a plane. Fellas, great trading today with risk management, great discipline, great patience. It's all good. I will see you guys in the Dominican and then in Miami. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, guys, we are doing amazing. Trading is doing good. Streams are doing good. Everything's doing great, and we're going to continue to grow, and we're going to continue to get back on the markets and go crazy. I will not be streaming tomorrow, but I will be on Monday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time on YouTube. Fellas, do not miss that. Other than that, we'll finish in prayer, and we're going to get off. Fellas, don't miss out on that 80% off sale with Apex. It does end tonight at 11:59 p.m. This is the last time you're going to hear it. 80% off with code Ben at checkout. You get rid of the consistency rule, and 300Ks are only $50. Other than that, let's finish in prayer. Thank you guys so much. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins, and help us grow closer with you. And please protect me as I go onto this trip, Lord, and make sure that everything will be fine. The plane flight will be smooth, and even for that Miami trip, Lord, please make sure that everything will be fine. Thank you for everything. Remind us that everything is part of your plan, and we don't need to stress or worry about anything, and it's all going to fall together because you are in control. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Thank you for everything. Amen. All right, chat. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless. And Peace.